If you want to activate followers on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to turn on professional mode on your profile so followers become visible. This is a quick and useful setting if you want to grow your presence, make it easier for people to follow you, and manage your profile in a more creator-friendly way. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. All right, let's get into it. First, go to your Facebook profile. You can do this by opening Facebook on your phone or computer and tapping or clicking on your profile picture. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three dots icon. This is usually near your profile name or next to the Edit Profile options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A menu will appear with different profile options. From that list, you want to find the option that says Turn on Professional Mode. This is the setting that allows Facebook to unlock creator-style features, including making followers visible on your profile. When you click Turn on Professional Mode, Facebook may show you a few details explaining what the feature does. Take a moment to review it, then continue with the setup. After that, make sure you save the changes. Saving is important because it confirms that you want to activate the new profile mode. Once the changes are saved, the next thing to do is reload the page. You can refresh your browser if you're on a computer, or simply go back and open your profile again on mobile. Reloading helps Facebook update your profile display so the new settings appear correctly. After the page refreshes, go back to your profile and check the top section again. You should now see that followers are visible on your profile. That means professional mode has been activated successfully, and people can now follow your profile more easily. If you do not see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes Facebook takes a moment to fully update the profile view, so refresh one more time or close and reopen the app. Also make sure you completed every step, especially saving the changes after turning on professional mode. And that's it. You've now learned how to activate followers on Facebook in just a few simple steps. First, go to your profile, then tap the three dots, turn on professional mode, save the changes, reload the page, and your followers option should now be visible. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.